This is the vitamin B12 infused toothpaste. It's a whitening toothpaste by Cali White. There's no fluoride in it. It's SLS-free, no triclosan, and no peroxide. And so it's called Malibu Mint flavor. What's very unique about this is the vitamin B12 in it. To be able to get vitamin B12 through your mouth, because you're getting it sublingually, which means it's bypassing your digestive system and going straight into your system. So it can be quite beneficial there. So you've got that, and then it's pretty mild flavor. It's not super strong or anything. It smells good. It just comes out onto the toothbrush like this. So it just looks like your regular toothpaste up close. So you can see. Here, I'll brush your teeth. How's that feel? Feels good, doesn't it? Yeah, so that's the Cali White. Yeah, that's the benefits of it. So twice a day, you're going to get infused vitamin B12.